Did you know that there are many animals in English that start with the letter S? For example, the swan is white and it swims on the lake. The swan is known for its elegance. The goose is loud and it likes water. The goose can be very noisy near ponds. The duck is friendly and it can swim. Many ducks are common in parks. The turkey is big and it has many feathers. Turkeys are often seen during Thanksgiving. The pigeon is grey and it flies in the city. Pigeons are very common in urban areas. The sparrow is small and it sings every morning. Sparrows are cheerful little birds. The canary is yellow and it has a beautiful song. Canaries are popular as pets. The robin has a red chest and it lives in gardens. Robins are easy to spot in spring. The magpie is clever and it likes shiny things. Magpies often collect shiny objects. The woodpecker is busy and it pecks trees. Woodpeckers have strong beaks for pecking. The goose is strong and it can fly long distances. Geese migrate in groups during winter. The swan is elegant and it has a long neck. Swans are symbols of beauty. The hedgehog is small and it has sharp spines. Hedgehogs roll into a ball for protection. The mole is tiny and it lives underground. Moles hunt for worms and insects beneath the soil. The hamster is cute and it likes seeds. Hamsters are popular pets for children. The guinea pig is friendly and it eats vegetables. Guinea pigs enjoy cuddles. The ferret is playful and it likes to explore. Ferrets are very energetic animals. The chinchilla has soft fur and it is very cute. Chinchillas are often kept as pets due to their soft coats. The alpaca is gentle and it lives in the mountains. Alpacas produce soft wool used in clothing. The llama is calm and it carries heavy things. Llamas can be adapted to high altitudes. The yak is strong and it lives in cold mountains. Yaks are vital for transportation in snowy regions. The reindeer is friendly and it has big antlers. Reindeer are important for some indigenous cultures. The elk is large and it lives in forests. Elks are majestic animals often seen in nature reserves. The moose is tall and it likes lakes. Moose feed on aquatic plants. The ibex is brave and it climbs high rocks. Ibexes are excellent climbers. The mountain goat is strong and it climbs steep mountains. Mountain goats navigate difficult terrain skillfully. The gazelle is fast and it runs across the grassland. Gazelles are known for their speed. The antelope is graceful and it jumps very high. Antelopes are agile in the wild. The caribou is strong and it lives in cold places. Caribou migrate across Arctic regions. The bighorn sheep is strong and it has big horns. Bighorn sheep are known for their climbing abilities. The oryx is beautiful and it lives in the desert. Oryxes have striking horns. The impala is quick and it can jump very high. Impala are typical prey for many predators. The springbok is fast and it lives in Africa. Springboks are famous for their speed and agility. The wildebeest is powerful and it travels in large groups. Wildebeests migrate across the plains of Africa. The tapir is friendly and it likes rivers. Tapirs are large herbivorous animals. The okapi is special and it has striped legs. Okapis are native to the dense forests of Africa. The aardvark is hungry and it eats ants. Aardvarks use their long tongues for catching insects. The pangolin is shy and it has hard scales. Pangolins roll into balls when threatened. The wombat is cute and it digs tunnels. Wombats are native to Australia. The quokka looks happy and it lives in Australia. Quokkas are often called the happiest animals. The echidna has sharp spines and it eats ants. Echidnas are monotremes, laying eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The platypus is unusual and it lays eggs. Platypuses are semi-aquatic mammals. The emu is tall and it cannot fly. Emus run fast and are native to Australia. The cassowary has a colourful head and it lives in forests. Cassowaries are very dangerous birds. The kiwi is small and it cannot fly. Kiwis are native to New Zealand. The hornbill has an amazing big beak and it lives in tropical forests. Hornbills are known for their distinctive bills. The puffin is cute and it lives near the sea. Puffins are seabirds with colourful beaks. The crane is elegant and it has long legs. Cranes are often seen in wetlands. The kingfisher is colourful and it catches fish. Kingfishers are expert divers. The cormorant is an excellent swimmer and it dives for fish.